Well, now it's time for Out There with Kim. Let's see where Kim Dixon is live this morning. Oh, she's got something. Hi, Kim. Good morning.
Hey everybody, I am out there today at Crank and Boom. We're at the Clays Mill location today, and I am talking with my good friend Christy. Christy,
hi, good morning.
How are you this morning?
Good, very good.
Okay, so Crank and Boom has an open house coming up. Tell me about it. When is it?
This Sunday, yes, this Sunday from 12 to 4 here at our Clays Mill location. Okay. And the reason we're having open house is because we've got tons of fun gift ideas that we just wanted to showcase and have people come and enjoy.
Christy.
Yes, I mean, all the things.
This is a lot.
Yes, because we want people to know that they can give local, they can buy local, they can eat local. And I mean, we even have a lot more than just ice cream here at Crank and Boom. So all the things, all the fun, right? So, yes, and we're gonna have complimentary hot chocolate, they're gonna have complimentary bark, all the things this Sunday.
Christy, you do have all the things right now, and apparently I'm holding all of the things.
You are. Do you think you could hold a couple more packs of sprinkles? There we go. And a dog toy, all the things, because we love everybody at Crank and Boom, right? Dogs included.
Christy, this is an amazing array of gifts, and it looks like we've got something at every price point.
We do.
Now, we don't have to wait for the open house to do these items, do we? No.
Yes, they can come now and shop. They can shop at our Distillery District, Manchester location, all the things. We've got everyone covered for the holidays.
Christy, we're going to come back in a little while, and we're going to be tasting out some of your new holiday flavors.
Yes, can't wait.
Stay tuned. We've got plenty more Good Morning Kentucky coming right up.